Look at Shane.
Shane and Elmo.
You like playing with your Elmo? You like playing with Elmo? You're so silly. Hi, Shane. What do you see? Yeah, there's another Elmo. Yeah. What did Mama put on the hearth? She put ABCs. She put blocks on the hearth so you wouldn't hurt your head. Yeah, blocks. Block. What's in the basket? What's in the basket?
Where's Elmo?
I think I heard Elmo play enough.
Oh, you want up on the hearth, don't you?
Oh, he's trying.
He is trying. What are you doing there, Shane? Oh, you got a rattle. Did you get a rattle? Wow, you have all kinds of things in there. You have all kinds of things in there. You want the other Elmo? Oh, here he goes. Say, Papa, can you help me push his tummy? Play Tickle Me Elmo.
Yeah.
What you got there, Shane? What you got there, Shane? You have a Tickle Me Elmo? Is that what you have? Yeah. Uh-oh. Where are you going?
He's going back to his guitar playing, Elmo.
Yeah.
I think his back is in the way.
Can you push the button? All right.
Can you push the red button?
Yeah.
No, you didn't push it hard enough. There we go. Yeah, maybe the button anyway.
Does Elmo have a guitar? All right. Wow. What do you have? You like watching the lights on the guitar? Yeah.
Shane likes to dance too.
All right, can you say bye-bye for now? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Go push the button. That's a
Push it
good
hard.
job. Elmo.
You have to push it hard.
All right, we'll see you later.